We'll guide you through how to create light trail effect in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure Adobe Photoshop is fully opened and ready for editing. Go to the top menu bar, click File, select Open, and load the photograph you want to edit. For this example, use an image of an F1 Ferrari racing on a track. Once your image is loaded, navigate to the left toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Click and drag a rectangular box completely around the main subject, such as the Ferrari car, to allow Photoshop to analyze and detect it automatically. Wait a few moments while Photoshop creates a precise selection boundary around the car. Once the subject is successfully selected, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Cmd+J on Mac to duplicate the selected car onto its own separate layer above the original background. Next, return to the left toolbar, click and hold the Marquee tool icon, and choose the Single Column Marquee tool. Zoom in if necessary, then click directly on the rear edge of the moving object, such as the back tire or rear wing, to capture a 1-pixel wide vertical strip of color. Make sure your separated car layer is still selected in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl+J or Cmd+J again to duplicate this thin pixel column onto a new layer. Now go to the top menu bar, click Edit, and select Free Transform, or simply press Ctrl+T. Hold the Shift key, click the middle right transform handle, and drag it outward across the canvas to stretch the pixels into a long, straight motion trail. Press Enter to confirm the transformation. In the Layers panel, right-click the Stretch Trail layer and choose Convert to Smart Object to preserve image quality. Press Ctrl+T again, right-click inside the transform box, and select Warp. Carefully drag the grid points to bend and curve the trail so it naturally follows the Ferrari's direction of movement. Once satisfied, press Enter to apply the warp. Add a layer mask to the trail layer using the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Brush tool, choose a soft round brush, set your foreground color to black, and gently brush the far end of the trail to create a smooth fade. Finally, change the blend mode to Linear Dodge Add for a glowing, realistic speed trail effect.